integrated, we call that deployment or putting a model into production. And when you build a model, once it's integrated in with your business process, you're going to have a very quick ROI from a payback perspective. That's how we justify the cost of the software. It saves you money. IBM SPSS Modeler, the interface has 4 different components. This is what a modeler screen looks like. There's a palette at the bottom that has anywhere from 30 to 50 algorithms that you might use during the course of a modeling exercise. These algorithms drag data in, pull it in, analyze it, add additional predictive columns, and write it back to the same format that originally came in at. This is our modeling palette. It's a canvas upon which you drag and drop different algorithms. And then finally, as you build these, and some of them look very complex, but they do very simplistic things, you're taking data in from perhaps 3 different sources. And the end game here is you create a score to perhaps figure out someone's propensity to churn. So in this example, there's telecommunication customers. They've got mobile handsets. Based on our assessment of their demographic, we can figure out which customer is at 100% likelihood of churning or dropping their cell phone plan versus 10%. That's what you're doing when you're doing predictive analytics. And then on the right, we've got a couple of palettes here. These windows allow you to toggle between 3, 15, 5 different models that you're building at the same time. So our first SPS exercise is called Being Predictive in 20 Minutes. We're going to take a look at telco customers that are dropping their mobile contracts. We're going to try to figure out, is there a certain demographic that's associated with these customers? Perhaps we extract their information from a CRM system. We're going to define what fields we need to use. We're going to apply a modeling technique and generate a model and review the results to see if there's any lift associated with this predictive model. And we're going to answer the why question. Why are customers canceling? To answer the why question, we need to proactively identify those folks who are likely to cancel before they do. Until you do that, you got nothing. After you do that, you have a predictive analytics model which you can then apply across the enterprise. So if someone's single and they have cell phone plans with less than 20 long distance minutes, and they're over the age of 45, we might figure out that there's a 50% chance of them churning. We're going to give them proactively an offer. It's called a retention offer. It's called a proactive retention offer. Okay? I used to work in marketing. Those words actually do mean something. Most of them don't. Okay, so we're going to do this, and then if we want, we can have a break. So what I want you to do is, I want you to open up SPSS Modeler, if you don't have it. Go to the Start menu, go to All Programs, and you're going to look for IBM SPSS Modeler 14.1. Hopefully everybody can see the screen. And what I want you to do is to get to this point, click on that, and get to this icon.
14.1.
So if there's anybody who does not have Modeler open, raise your hand. Because I never believe anyone, I'm going to be looking over your shoulders. Okay? Pardon me, I'm going to get in trouble.